Okay, so let's talk about Aries personality behavior. Aries, the first sign of Satyam, the trailblazer, the I'll do it my way sign. Born leaders, passionate dreamers, and sometimes certified stubborn. Aries people are like walking energy drink, full of passion, confidence, and just the right amount of didulo energy to make things happen. They don't wait for opportunities, they create them. Confident, spontaneous, at minsan medyo impulsive. Kung may gusto sila, go agad. Walang second thoughts. Minsan nga, parang motto nila, think later, do it now. And when Aries wants something, trust me, they'll go after it like there's no tomorrow. Pero don't get it twisted. Aries maybe matigas ang ulo, pero may malambot na puso. Sila yung tipo na kapag mahal ka nila, ipaglalaban ka talaga kahit pa against the world. They're brave, bold, and brutally honest. Pero wag mong i-test ang patient nila. They go from sweet to revenge in 2 seconds. They love challenges and they hate losing and they are allergic to drama unless sila yung bida. Aries are the friends who will hype you up, fight for you, and roast you in the same breath. And in love, grabe, they're intense. If they like you, you'll know. If they don't, trust me, you'll definitely know. So, if you get an Aries in your life, buckle up. They'll drive you crazy, but you'll never be bored because when Aries love, they love loud, real, and all in. Aries have a fearless soul, unforgettable energy. So if you have an Aries in your life, you're lucky. So keep them, okay? Bye.